Hear ye, hear ye. On the next Quilt Show, we're being visited by the Queen. The Dot Queen, that is.
Kyra Reps of Northwood, Iowa is the Dot Queen, and you'll know why when you see her incredible Kaleidoscope Mandala quilts.
Even though she's only been quilting seriously for 6 years, her quilts are making a huge splash wherever they roam. She even dresses to match her quilts. It's over-the-top dots.
See how she grids out her designs and makes those perfect little circles.
Plus, why make one dot when you can make lots and lots? Kyra shows you her super fun and relaxing dot painting technique.
Then Colorado's pattern designer Sondrasa drops by to share innovative ways to show off your applique. It's a full day of applique. Yay!
If you think you're seeing dots before your eyes, you're right.
So grab your spot and watch thequiltshow.com.